In this video, in a couple minutes, I'm going to share with you how to replace the engine air filter on your lovely Toyota Echo or Toyota Yaris. Let's get started. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe. Very appreciated that, guys. And Toyota Echos, Yarises, they're getting more popular because they're super fuel efficient units. People like them for their simplicity and reliability. Cost of ownership is almost uncomparable. Okay, air filter box is located on a driver's side, just in front of the engine. Over the transmission, pop those two metal clips on both sides of the air cleaner box and slide that box forward and lift it up. And you don't have to undo the air intake, just pull the old filter out. And the air filter replacement intervals will depend from the driving conditions, but in general I do my filter every 20,000 kilometers. It depends. If you drive lots on a dusty gravel roads, you might need to do it more often. 20,000 works for me, and yeah, they're cheap. Okay, let's put a new filter element in and we compare them. Make sure it's the same part, make sure it fits properly around the edges, and now we have to slide our top part of the air cleaner box forward and locked on those two tubs. Okay, and let's put those metal retainer clips back in place, and that's it. Very simple, but so important for maintaining your engine healthy. And yeah, check the fitment, make sure there's no gaps, no any issues. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Very appreciated your time. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. If you like it, thumbs up. See you soon guys. Take care, and yeah, bye now.